I have two affordable e-bikes in the market right now. Jetson was bought in 2022. It was $500. Blutron, I bought this year, 2 months ago, for $399. Jetson was bought in Costco, and this one, the Blutron, from Best Buy. So let's do a short review. This is a child seat. This is not included. I bought this in Amazon, including this one. A footrest. So it has a smaller tire compared to the Blutron. It has a reflector, rear reflector. This one is adjustable. The battery is here. Actually, they have the same charger with the Blutron. So you insert the charger here. On this side. This one's not included. This one is for the camera. To turn on, just press this one, and you'll see the battery meters. There are 4 battery meters. There's a horn. You can adjust this if you want. Make sure to lock it. The two e-bikes can fit the trunk of the RAV4. This is the double lock right here. So make sure to unlock. And then pull this one. And you can fold it. To return, lock, and make sure to double lock. That's it. The same with the Blutron. The same mechanism on how to fold and to lock. They have the same. To turn on the headlight, just long press and release. The headlight is turned on. To turn off, long press, and it's turned off. Turn off the e-bike, just press this one. Alright, that's it for the Jetson e-bike. It has a bigger tires compared to the Jetson. This one is not included. This is a universal back seat. I bought this in Amazon. Also this one, the backrest, I bought this in Amazon. And the leg handlebar for the kids, it's adjustable. It also has a reflector rear light, but when you turn this on, turn on. See the battery meters also it also has 4 battery meters. And when you press the brake, the backlight, there's a rear backlight, rear brake light, I mean. Another difference, it has speed modes. So there are 3 speed modes. 1, 2, 3. I did try speed test this e-bike, so it can go as fast as 31 kilometers per hour without pedal assist. I don't know how fast it can go for level 3 speed with pedal assist. Probably more than 31 kilometers per hour. I'll do another video of that. It also has horn. It's also adjustable. This one is a cell phone holder. It's not included. And it's heavier compared to the Jetson. You can see the tire difference between the two. That one is bigger. And it's taller. And it's faster. Battery is right here. So I'm gonna buy a bottle holder and probably I'll put it here. Like that one. The bottle holder. I'll put it here. So to turn on the headlight of Blutron, the same with Jetson, just long press, release, and you can see the headlight is turned on. And to turn it off, just long press, release. So that's all for my short review of e-bikes. I believe these are the 2 affordable e-bikes in the market right now. This one is more than 3 years old, but still in good condition, and this one is still pretty new. Thank you for watching. Bye.